It's Pappy Doodle time.
Hi everybody, welcome to Tuesday's edition of Pappy Doodle time. Alright, we're focusing on the number 5. Let's see what we can make from this number today. Here we go. Alrighty. Okay, what if I brought this line over like that? And do you see something? I see something. And looks like a dragon. Bring that line over. Like that. Bring that line over there. That's his other arm. He's sitting down. And bring that line over and bring it down. Starting here, I'm going to bring that over. Look at that. We're making a dragon. And maybe his wings are down on his back. Let's color that in. Cool. Let's put a tail. Just like that. Loop this around, bring it around, and I'm going to stop right there. Cool. Alrighty. And he's on like a rock. So let's just put a rock just to show that he's on some big boulder or a mountaintop. Okay, let's bring this line down and let's just put some scales like that. Some more scales. And there. And one wrinkle line right there. And there you have it, a dragon from the number 5.
That was a lot of fun. Tune in tomorrow, Wednesday, when we draw another cartoon from the number 5.